difference between small g and capital G. Small g is the acceleration due to gravity and capital G is universal gravitational constant. The acceleration produced in a body falling freely under the action of the gravitational pull of the earth is known as the acceleration due to gravity small g. And the gravitational force between two bodies of the unit mass separated by a unit distance is known as a universal gravitational constant. We know F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. So G will be written as F r square upon m1 m2. If r equal to 1 unit, m1 and m2 both are equal to 1 unit, then we will say G is given by F. So gravitational force between the two bodies of unit mass distance separated by distance unit. Value of G is different at different point on the earth because we know G is given by Gm upon r square, and similarly gravity at depth is given by G 1 minus d by r, and gravity at height is given by G 1 minus 2h by r. So you move above the surface and you go below the earth surface, gravity will change. The value of the G is same at every point in the earth and universe because gravity is given by 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square, and it is a universal constant. The value of the G decrease as we go higher. This formula I have written here, from the surface of the earth or as we go deep into the earth. But value of capital G, it is universal constant. The value of G at the center of the earth is 0. We know gravity at the depth is given by GD equal to G 1 minus d upon r. At the center of the earth, depth is given by the r radius. So gravity at the depth is given by 0. At the center of the earth is 0. The value of the G is not 0 at the center of the earth because it is universal constant, and this value is 6.6 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. The value of the G is different on the surface of the different heavenly bodies that we have discussed, and value of the capital G is same throughout the universe. The value of the small g on the surface of the earth is 9.8 meter per second square, and value of the capital G universal constant, that is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square.